Good night, Steve. Mommy and Daddy love you.
Good night, Private Bear. Good night, Sergeant Bear. Good night, General Bear. Good night, Bucky Bear? Where's Bucky Bear? What was that? Bucky Bear! I'm sorry, man. I don't know how this happened, but we won't leave a man behind. I just need to assess the situation and put together a strategy. Hey! Where'd you go, Summers? Oh, if that's how you want to play it, then let's do this. Avengers, assemble! Hup. Hup. Ha-ha! Uh-oh. Nick Fury, bring in anyone who isn't grounded or down with the chicken pox. We're gonna kick some ex-butt and bring Bucky Bear back home.
You got it, Cap.
Let's see what you got, Cyclops. Another.